So I am going to have a really quick live stream today for a couple of different reasons. I need to go eat, I need to get some studying done, and have some meetings this afternoon. Tomorrow I will not be doing a live stream. I do have a student during the regular live stream time. So please be aware that I will not be doing a live stream tomorrow, and likely not one on Friday, but I might do one on Friday when I'm done with my exam. So it depends on what time my exam finishes, because that starts, they just called me today, I have to be there at 7 a.m. for the social distancing. So come join me live on YouTube. All right, so we're going to talk about Apple, SPY, Zoom, NKLA, and more. Oh, it helps when you have the link, right? I think so. All right, let's get into this. Let me open up the chat. Are you guys having a good day today? Hopefully so. You know what, Shovel, we will look at it. That's John, right? We will check that out. Hey, Asif. Yeah. All right, so I've got Zoom up here, been watching that. So the SPY, right? The SPY is cruising. Stephanie, I'm taking the Chartered Market Technician exam level 1. So I was playing around with Bollinger today. I don't really use them, but I put it on. I changed the attributes. I think I kind of like the Bollinger Bands with a 9 on the daily. Just me personally, but I was just playing around with them. Good afternoon, Dave. All right. So SPY had a nice gap up. We sort of had an island trading here. We have a gap right there, and we have another gap right here. So are we going to close up higher, or is this slowing down? We have a bit of a pennant, right? You guys see that on the shorter time frame? It's getting smaller, a little bit of a wedge. Will we continue to the upside here? Looks like that might happen. Also have a lot of announcements going on today. ISM manufacturing numbers were lower than expected, but other things are looking good. We also have Brainerd speaking today. Let's see if they have any follow-up on that. Modernizing and strengthening CRA regulations. Nothing. Let's see, do we have the total? Total number of sales. Vehicle sales is a little bit lower. All right, so overall numbers look like they're fairly good for today. And SPY definitely had an amazing move. If you guys did not take part in my Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, I'm sorry, it is over for now. I will likely do another one come New Year's. So SPY broke nicely above, and not surprising, right? Some shorts probably got squeezed, and then they're like, we're going to buy it on the breakout. Volume is a little bit lower today, and yesterday we had big volume bouncing off of the anchored VWAP over here. Let's get rid of this one. I don't need that anchored VWAP. Qs as well. Qs are really up, very strong today. They've been gaining in strength. We are in full breakout mode. New highs today for the NASDAQ 100. And now let's look at Apple. Apple was on my list today. I got out of Tesla too early, kicking myself a little bit. Look at how Apple, wow, I created that wedge. There was a megaphone. And look at that. I love these trend lines and how they perform. That is so cool. I didn't even see that until just now. So totally awesome. Might want to go and take some profits now that we've hit the upper bound of the megaphone. Maybe it's going to come back down to 119. If Apple does do that, be prepared that Qs and SPY would likely pull back at the same time. Microsoft as well, breaking out on the day, or not on the day, but it's moving to the upside right now and has nice potential move as well. Will it continue further? I was messing around with my colors there. How much further? If we break above 217.50, that's my, hey, we're heading right back up. Got a nice $5 move up to 222.50. XPEV, nope, coming down today. Now, John, you asked how come NEO's getting crushed? XPEV, NEO probably, Lee, they're all pulling back. They were parabolic. So the fact that they are pulling back is completely normal. It's a drawdown from that upward trend. Now, in my opinion, this could come all the way back down to $27.25. XPEV could go down to $21 roughly, right? All the way down here. And Lee as well. Also looks like it's set up for a bit of a head and shoulders, you see right here, and confirmation if we really break down of 33.60, likely heading back down here, and a lower one back down in the 20 area. So they were all in that parabolic move. We had newer traders jumping in on it, momentum, and now it's coming back to reality a bit. All right, Blink as well had a drawdown. A lot of the electric car sector seems to be pulling back except for Tesla. Tesla is getting a lot of attention. So as quickly as things go up, it's a little bit of physics as well. As quickly as things go up, they also come back down. When you have the parabolic moves up, it breaks the trend line. It tends to fail more quickly. Where's the buying, right? Where's the buying volume? There isn't any. The biggest volume was up here on that big spike up day. NEO as well. Same thing, had it on my list for potential short. Beautiful short. $5 off of, actually a little bit more, $5.50 off of that 51.50. Also had Elan right here. Not doing too much, a little bit of sideways action. Maybe, he's trading someone in this channel, came outside of it and came back into it. So maybe this is going to end up having a bigger move. You can see here we had some consolidation. Here it's a bigger box of consolidation, popped up for a couple days, came right back in. Doesn't look like it's really ready to move just yet. Higher volume was on this candlestick and we are below that. So that would be something to watch. That it's testing it. So maybe this is ready to come back down even down to 28.37. Also had Nikola on watch, really overextended, have my fibs on here, you guys can see them, was watching this, got into it at 7, you can see 3.2 million opening. I did look to see the big opening print. This did have a lockup period expire yesterday. MJ voting house this week, cannabis stocks moving up. Okay, cool, thanks Michael. So cannabis sector might be moving up on potential positive news with a Democratic House, right? And Congress is also in session. Gold is moving up at the moment. I'm not sure about the dollar. Dollar is likely dropping. So watching Nikola, we're in a little bit of a really flat ascending triangle with this as our resistance at 1766. Keep that on watch. If that breaks, likely a bigger move to come. All right, Momo as well was on my potential short list. Broke down, had a nice short right off the open. Look at that, from 13.80 down to 12.98, almost $1. And Zoom failed on earnings, or at least the market didn't like it. Yeah, dollar's getting crushed, no surprise, right? That's probably in likelihood of the stimulus that's coming to come. Here's the thing, you see this trend line right here? We keep bouncing off of this. So if this trend line holds, there's potentially a bigger move to the downside. However, it's not far away, 410. So if I were to get into this here, I would use roughly 405, 404, even this gray moving average as my potential stop to get out. We rejected the 50 simple moving average, rejected the 20 simple moving average. So we'll keep all of that on watch. And final one is plug, right? So all of that electric car sector right now is really hurting and pulling back. They're having many corrections. They had an amazing run. It's not the end of the world. This is sort of that ABC wave, corrective wave in Elliott wave theory. Throwing out some of my CMT stuff to put it to practical use. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, maybe we're going to come back down to $20, and that might be a good place to get in. We will see where it stops, where the buyers take over. That is going to be where it stops. Until then, wait for it to potentially provide support so that you know where you're getting in. And that is going to be my quick wrap up for today, guys. I'm sorry that it's going to be so brief, but I do need to get a lot of things done today. And I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. If you guys like the live stream, please hit that like button. And I will see you all Thursday morning for yoga. If you don't already know or you're brand new to my live stream, I do pre-market yoga for traders Tuesday and Thursdays, roughly 7:30 in the morning Eastern. Depends on if my girls want to cooperate in getting ready with their jackets and snow pants and all that good stuff. So I will see you Thursday morning for yoga. Come ground yourself and, get your mindset into that positive space so that you are grounded and ready for whatever the day throws at you, whether it's the market or traffic or somebody, unloading their negativity. You'll be able to handle it with some positive energy from yoga, grounding yourself at the beginning of the day. So Carpe Profit, seize those profits one trade at a time, and I will see you all on Thursday morning. Bye.